What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video on a Yamaha R1. If you guys did not notice, obviously this is not my R1M. So this is going to be a review of a newer, because this is a new bike. It's the 60th anniversary. Thank you for putting that it's the 60th, because between all the different brands and all that, I get confused. But yeah, this is the 60th anniversary design. That's why it's in these colors. Looks different, as you guys see. It's not like the regular Yamaha blue, which I personally like, but this is very unique and different. This bike is very different than mine, especially because it's bone stock, and as I said, it's like a brand new bike. My R1M is a 2015 model, which is kind of like the last gen of these bikes. The only thing this bike has is obviously the tail tidy. It has the full titanium, beautiful Acro exhaust, as you guys can see, with these blue amazing headers and link pipe. It sounds amazing. But yeah, we're going to be reviewing this bike and see how different it is from the previous gens. Is it better? Is it improved? And how do I like it? Now let me tell you a little bit about this bike. This bike is not mine, as I said. It belongs to the PDM brands, and you guys can actually win this bike. If you're interested in finding out how, I'll leave a link to their website or their Instagram. Just follow them on Instagram. They have all type of videos. You can actually like win this bike, and they also have an MV Agusta Super Veloce that you can win too, as well as $5,000 cash. Let me see, I don't even know how many miles that has. Like, we had to break it in. It has like 600 miles or something like that. Yeah, literally 600, almost 700 miles on it. Now let's get some gas on this bike and start with the ride and review. Thirsty bike. I did tell you guys that this bike has a full exhaust system, but also it is tuned by Brent Tuning, so it has goodies, you know. Mine is very different because I have clip-ons. A lot of my stuff on my bike are very, very different. So this is obviously going to feel very different, especially because it's a different model too. Like, you know, different fairing slightly. I think the engine is mainly the same, but I'm pretty sure the electronics are updated. That's what I was told, at least. I haven't really dug too much into the differences, but I just want to know like a feel without knowing too much. You know what I mean? Because it's different when they tell you it's different, like this and that, and then you try and you're like, huh. So I just want to see how it feels in comparison to mine. All right, now we're fueled up. She sounds good. This is the other bike that they are giving away, the Super Veloce right there. Alright, first things first, obviously, the shifting is butter smooth. Now, another difference between this and my bike is that my bike has electronic suspension and this one does not. So, obviously that plays a major role on how the bike feels, because you usually want to adjust your suspension to your liking based on the settings, like what the type of riding I want to do and all that, and that usually does it. But so far the bike does feel like good. Obviously it's like the suspension doesn't feel dialed in, but it feels solid. Torquey. That exhaust sounds really good. So yeah, this is actually their other giveaway bike. So if you do buy some of their merch and you get entries, you can choose if you want to get this bike with cash, or if you want to do just all completely cash. So yeah, follow them on Instagram and check them out. The link in the description down below, if you guys are interested in winning any of these amazing bikes. Now yes, I do have a review on the Super Veloce coming up, because that's a bike that I haven't really ridden, so I'm trying to like save that video. We got an exhaust for this bike, something very, very special. That's what I'm saving that video for. We're gonna get the exhaust, doing the install, maybe do the first ride before and then after with the exhaust. And also Brent Tuning is working on tuning these bikes. brakes feel really good on this bike. I don't know if like it's different, if they change them or whatever, but the electronics feel smooth, really smooth. Feels amazing because the ride's good, like sounds great, and what an amazing bike. And those gold wheels look really cool with this design, very special and unique, especially with those really beautiful titanium headers. So yeah, if you guys do want to win this bike, check out the PDM brands. They have amazing clothing, and on top of it you get a chance to win this awesome bike, or that MG, or a lot of money. As for the review, bike ride's amazing. Honestly, I feel like if my R1 rode similar to this, you know how smooth and clean it is, I'd probably ride it more often. Just because, you know, it felt nice. You know, mine has a lot of miles, has a lot of mods. I've done a lot to it. It needs some maintenance to get it back to tip-top shape, and even then, I feel like the electronics are going to be lacking. Unlike this bike, which is pretty much just brand new, complete, smooth. So, yeah. To feel red for you guys. Alright, that's it. I don't want to get this out. Those pops, you can see flames during the day. I don't know if the camera picked it up, but it looks sick. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please drop a like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Right side.